Yeah, welcome to Fancy Empire online training. This is Mercy and I'm the creative director of Fancy Empire. So I've got a lot of questions on how can I maintain my autogele? Like, how can I wash my autogele? And I'll be like, okay, just do it this way, do it that way. But I just thought of it that since you are dear to me as my customer, let me create a short video on how you can maintain your autogele so that you won't just stress yourself and start brainstorming on, she said this, is it that? You see it practically on how to maintain your autogele. As you know that autogele can get dirty. It can, like, even normal clothes, they get dirty. Same as autogele. And when they get dirty, you can't just keep using them like that. You have to wash them and you continue to use it as neat as it is. So as easy as it is to wear, so it is very easy to maintain as well. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how to wash and maintain your autogele. Stay tuned. Now, in order to wash your autogele, these are the things we need. We need our detergent. Here is a liquid soap. You can use detergent in water, like put it in water. Just any of your fabric soap, you can make use of it. This is dissolved in water. Then here is my brush. You use soft brush. You can use this or use this. Your used brush, you can use it that you are no more using again, and it's very soft. You can make use of it. Then we have a bowl of water here, a clean water. So now this is what I'll do. I'll just get my liquid soap soaked in water. Then I'll lose my autogele. This is my autogele. I'll lose it. Then I'll locate where the dirt is. I'll soak it in water like this. I'll soak the brush in water. Then I use it to clean it gradually. Can you see? Gradually I'll clean it. Then I remove this stain. See, there is a stain here. There is a small stain here. I'll just soak the brush in water. Then I brush it gradually, like gently. Just have to be very patient. You have to be patient. And the dirt is out. The dirt is no more there. Dirt is no more there. And when I'm done cleaning, just clean the body as I want. You clean the body, you clean the body like that. Once you are done cleaning, you take your clean water. Use a clean bowl of water. Then just as you want to rinse it now, you want to remove the soap. So you soak it and then you remove it. You see that stain that was there is no more there again. So that is just how you can easily remove stain from your autogele. Some people, they have foundation stain on their gele. So this is just the way you can do it. You just soak your brush in detergent or in liquid soap, in liquid water. Then you use it to clean it. Then your clean water, you use it to remove this stain. Now, when you are done doing this, you don't need to. What you just need to do is you just air dry it. You don't need to keep it inside hot sun. No, just air dry it, maybe in a cool place where breeze can easily just dry it. Just hang it like that and use your clip to clip it down. And that is all. That is how you can wash your autogele. If this video is useful to you, please kindly comment and like and share this video so that it can reach more people. And also we have some autogele available for you. You can order for yours in any color of choice. I'll be displaying them now. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Kindly subscribe and recommend us as well. Thank you. See you next time.